The CDB 8 consolidated line of credit was approved to the DFC in late 2016. It comprises of $40 million, the single largest loan approved to the DFC in its 55-year history. So this is a big achievement for the organization, the new restructured DFC. Under the line of credit, we'll be able to provide on lending to productive and business sector, monies for mortgage financing, education, and there's the renewable line, whereby we are mainstreaming renewable energy and energy efficiency in Belize. DFC provides development financing. Being the only development bank in Belize, DFC works with its clients. It doesn't only provide loans, but it provides technical assistance along with loans. And the area of technical assistance, that hand-holding that startup business, that the farmer, that the manufacturing organization needs, is where DFC comes in. Our loans are more of a long-term, medium to long-term, but what it affords you is support. We provide forbearance in difficult times. Like for example, industries that are having problems, for example with droughts and floods and things like that. We restructure their payments, we extend the life of the loan. We continue to work with the farmer or the shrimp producer, whatever industry they're in. That's what development financing is about. We started our renewable energy program about 3 to 4 years ago. It's basically concentrating on how we can reduce the cost of energy in our industries, in our businesses, in our households. For example, the tourism industry, the agricultural sector. It's all in line with this whole building climate resiliency. We've seen the ravages of the hurricanes that have come to Belize. There was a tsunami threat about 2 weeks ago. Everybody flocked to Belmopan. How do we build resiliency in our cities, in our companies, on our farms, so that when these things come along, we mitigate the ravages of the effects of climate change? This is what renewable energy is all about. It's about the light bulbs. It's about using solar, reducing our dependency on fossil fuel. So there's a whole gamut that comes with this, but at the same time, it's all with our effort to ensure sustainability in the economy and in our households. Another pillar that we're looking at for our new strategic plan is gender mainstreaming. And it's an area that can really or directly impact poverty alleviation in Belize, because in gender mainstreaming, we're really looking at at-risk segments of the population that do not at this time may have access to financing. You're talking about women, single mothers, you're talking about at-risk youths, because gender mainstreaming is not only about women, it's about the boys who are on the street. How do we bring them into the society for them to be productive citizens? And it won't be only about financing, it will be about the social programs that comes along with a gender mainstreaming program. So those are the two main pillars that we're looking at.
In 2014, DFC was granted a further loan by the CDB, and in 2016, CDB provided its largest loan ever to DFC of $20 million US, so that over the period 2009 to 2016, CDB would have provided resources of approximately $41 million US to the DFC for activities in those sectors where it lends and does its business. Over this period, the DFC has considerably improved its operations and can now be regarded as a successful and sustainable financial institution, in keeping with CDB's commitment to use strong and functioning development finance institutions as conduits for intermediating its resources to the private sector.